What's going on, everybody? Aaron here from the Project Capital, and we're starting off this live stream with a very serious message. Oh, wait, so I just gotta turn on the chat here. Sorry, guys.
Okay, so being a trader can really suck at times, especially if you're losing.
Give me 1 second, guys, and then we will be straight to our live stream. What is up with this? What's up, everybody? So first I wanted to start by saying, I don't know if you guys heard. Oh, sorry, you guys can't even see me. 1 second. Video capture device. Oh no. Sorry guys, I didn't even have my webcam plugged in. What an amateur. That's so lame. Okay. Video capture. Sorry guys. Uh-oh. There we go. How's that going? I don't know what's up with that XSplit broadcaster though. I don't know why we've got that on there. Let's just take that out. All right. Yes. Sorry about that, guys. My mom's the only comment in the room. What's up, Doug? What's up, Mark? What's up, everybody? Hit that like button if you can see my face now. And we'll get straight into this live stream. But first, before we start talking about cannabis stocks and all that fun stuff, I wanted to send out a quick message and say I feel really bad for Investing Hustler. Some stuff went down in Toronto, and you can check out his video. I don't know if you guys watched his video, but it's super sad. Some people broke into his house and stole a bunch of stuff. So we're gonna be giving Investing Hustler quick 2 minutes of our time, just going to his channel and showing him some love. So guys, Investing Hustler is a close friend of mine. I just saw him on the weekend and he got robbed, and he put out a video about it. So Investing Hustler, we're just gonna quickly go to his channel. There's a video about how he got robbed. Make sure to hit that like button. They stole almost everything in his house at gunpoint. It was super scary. So yeah, just show Investing Hustler love. And there's also a GoFundMe page for Investing Hustler talking about all this stuff. They stole about $15,000 worth of stuff. I've already donated to him just because I support him. But anyways, guys, long live Hustler. That's all I gotta say. Long live Investing Hustler. So it's sad stuff. We always collaborate, so you guys probably watch our videos and stuff. So they think it was an inside job. Some people set him up, and I hate to hear that. So anyways, if you're yeah, so show some love to Investing Hustler. Anyways, guys, let's get into the live stream, and let's check in on the markets and see what's up. So alright guys, so let's see what is in the green, what is in the red today. So we've got Hexo, biggest decliner on the day, down 7%, followed by Tilray, NBev, Aphria Health. So we are seeing some decliners. Kind of makes sense, some profit taking on Hexo. And what day is it today? It's Tuesday. If you guys know 420 Capital, I was watching his live stream saying that Hexo's going to have some solid momentum on Monday. Yeah, so unfortunately this day and age you need to keep a low profile, no flashy Facebook videos or that you're making money. Someone is always watching. I'm glad that Investing Hustler came out with his skin. Yep. That is true. I totally agree with that. Social media, whenever you're flashy on social media, it's a big risk. Thankfully, I just talk about stocks and go on vacations and don't flash money, because that's not what you do. Everything's locked up. Everything's in the bank, and that's it. I don't keep any crap at my house. There's nothing valuable here other than your few personal possessions. So, and that's not what I'm about. Not about flashy stuff. So get the strap. Not to mention, yeah, I mean, I don't even brag when investing. I agree with you, Doug. So anyways, guys, we're just getting straight into the cannabis stocks. So alternative health leading the way at 5.7%, followed by alkaline water. Alkaline water putting in more gains, international canna brands up to 12.5 cents. Juju has been on a nice run. We're going to be taking a look at that stock. We're seeing CanTrust up, TGOD finally up. Hopefully we can get above $3 for TGOD. We'll see what happens there. Harvest One Cannabis up 1.67%. Canopy Growth in the green. I believe Aurora is very close to break even right now, just down 1%. So there's a bunch of stuff I'm looking at today, a bunch of trades. Yeah, Wayland Corp. Wayland is a very interesting stock as well. That's definitely one that we own some Wayland, and it's cheap right now. Looking to potentially buy more, but there's just so many companies out there right now, guys. There's just so many companies that I'd rather buy than Wayland. But all right, so let's quickly take a look now. Tell me, guys, is my face in the way? Because I'm gonna move it. There we go. We're just gonna move our face up there a little bit, make it a bit smaller. Now we can take a look at the charts and it won't be in the way. In Norway, you can't hide the money. Every year there's a list of top 100 earners and top 100 fortunes in your area. I think it's called Country in America. So NTB, how is it in Norway though? Is it a safe place? I mean, I feel like it's safer than America. I feel like it's much safer. We're gonna be taking a look at Hexo right now. So guys, Hexo doing well. I don't really see where we're gonna hit some support. I mean, I guess we're gonna support. Perfect, only a face mother would love. I'd rather stay unknown and enjoy my money to myself. No fake friends, none of that. Yeah, that's the thing. A lot of fake people come out of the woodwork when you start to make money. And it's hard to know who's real. The only real ones are the ones that were there before the money, right? I mean, I'd say that. What's up, Brian? We're just chilling here, taking a look at some cannabis stocks. People support you when you're down, but when you're up, they start plotting against you. Exactly. You always got to be careful. You always got to be careful. No doubt. No doubt. So anyways, what do you guys think about Hexo over the next couple months? I feel like if the market does hold up, I think we could see Hexo trade in the $8 to $9 range. That's where I would like to see Hexo trading. It does look like it's sticking to its uptrend. As you guys can see, the first time we moved up, we pulled back a bit. We moved up. We could pull back potentially a little bit. I don't think we'll pull back to 580. Pretty safe, but billionaire's wife was kidnapped a few months ago for a 60 mil ransom, but they never showed proof of life, so they never gave them the money. Probably dead by now. Prayers to investing hustler, bro. I hope he has a speedy recovery and he can move to a way safer place. Only trust people who say they are millionaires and spend all their time on YouTube. What's up, buddy? Hate that for hustler. Gonna donate for him today. Agree on Hexo. Yes, sir, Doug. We agree on Hexo. I want to leave Toronto. It isn't the same place as before. Toronto isn't safe anymore. Too many gang members and shootings. I mean, that's what we've been hearing. I don't live in Toronto. I live close to Toronto. It's not that bad here. But yeah, and definitely Toronto ain't the same place anymore. It's kind of sad. This year was crazy. Last year was crazy for violence. I hope this year we can tone it down a little bit, but there's a lot of diversity in Toronto, a lot of different gangs. I don't mean to get too off topic here, but it's definitely like something to talk about in terms of our community, because Investing Hustler is a big part of our community. You know, he's a really close friend of mine. We just spent the weekend together at the cannabis event. I'll be releasing that vlog, but I hope he just keeps his head up. What's up, Tom? What's up? we're just taking a look at a couple stocks here. Feel free to give a recommendation if there's a stock that you want to take a look at. Do you think ACB will get past this wall soon? I sure hope so. I hope we can get up into the 10s. I think that's the next step for ACB. That'd be nice to see. So anyways, guys, back to a couple stocks. What do you think about alkaline water? VGW on a tear. We'll take a look at that in a sec. You know what, guys? Alkaline water company looks pretty strong right now. Just taking a look at things. This stock looks like it could make another run, potentially to $6 or $7. Right now we're sitting at 5. What do you guys think about alkaline water? What's up, Max? Sorry, I've been not checking my Facebook messages, so I apologize if I didn't get back to you. There's a bunch of crap in my inbox and I just didn't bother checking. But I'll hit the cash button for you, Max. Okay, we're gonna take a quick look. Tom the Trader, you're the best. Thoughts on RNX? Yep, we'll take a look at that in 2 seconds. I just want to take a quick look at Juju, just as the stock's moving up, and it doesn't seem like a lot, but we've moved off of 7 cents up to 12 cents. We're up almost 100%. This looks like nothing in terms of a move, but it's actually a huge move for Juju. And I'm hoping that we can come back to the 20-cent range. Is FSD doing crappy? Let's see what's good for FSD. Another huge day. Man, FSD down to 30 cents, eh? That's annoying. ACB, TGOD, and huge. Suck. Sorry, you guys. We got to take a look at RNX, Royal Nickel Corporation. Quick request. Ooh, Royal Nickel Corporation moving up again. This is a stock that we were talking about in our VIP trader report. This was a stock that's been brought to my attention. Coming up again. So we moved off that 45-cent level all the way up to almost 80 cents again, and now we're selling off a little bit. No problem. I'm pretty sure you brought it here first. So it's hard to say, but I mean, honestly looking pretty good for Royal Nickel Corporation. I don't know. Feel free to drop links. I will take a look if you want to. Sending love. Hope all is well. Royal Nickel pisses me off. Held that piece of ground for 3 months. I love your comments, Max. Or should I say Glenn? Or if you want to keep your name private, Max. Nice move yesterday. Yeah, for sure. For sure, for sure. Alright, guys. So, let's see. What other stocks are we looking at today? Let's look at a couple sectors. We're going to take a look at the major indexes to see how much we're selling off today. Oh my gosh, why can't I do this? There we go. Crypto. Let's take a look at crypto just for fun. And some commodities too. There we go. Ooh, we're seeing a heavy sell-off in the markets today. We're seeing a 16% spike on the VIX, back up to over 20. Dow, S&P, and the Nasdaq are down 1 to 2%. What's up, Stock Market Moses? Stock Market Moses in the building. Hit that cash button for a red day. Hit that like button if you're short the markets, which I am not. So crypto's in the green a little bit. I feel like there's so many random. What is Bitcoin SV? I haven't looked at cryptos in such a long time. Bitcoin, Ripple, and Ether, and Bitcoin Cash still the top ones. What's going on with ACB? Sorry, I just joined. No problem, Humble. It's never too late to join my live stream. Can't wait to go home and watch this from the beginning. Wow, Spartacus, I appreciate that. It means a lot to me if you like to watch my live streams. I hope I'm entertaining enough for you. So just some healthy daily consolidation for most cannabis stocks. Yeah, I think so. Anyways, let's get out of this crappy cryptocurrency sector. Let's get into something a little more exciting. let's check in on the commodities real quick, guys. We're seeing gold gain. I feel like if the market pulls back a little bit more, we're gonna definitely see gold over 1,300. Yes, I know. So we're gonna do one more shout out to Investing Hustler. I shouted him out at the start of the video, but Investing Hustler, unfortunately, guys, he got robbed for a lot of money. And not only was it the money, but I mean, he got, like, they beat him up and stuff, which is pretty sad. So shout out to Investing Hustler. You know, just stay strong and gotta move. You gotta restart, start hustling, making more videos, collaborate with me. GoFundMe page right here for Investing Hustler. So he's almost raised $1,000, so I definitely donated to him. Feel free to toss him anything, guys. A couple of bucks here and there helps. I mean, he's an awesome contributor to our community. So shout out to Investing Hustler. Quick and speedy recovery. Anyways, guys, back on the grind, back on the live stream. So what do we got here? Oh yeah, I want to talk quickly about the VIX. We are seeing the VIX move up. We are seeing the VIX top 20 today, up 16%. It's hard to say where the VIX is going to go. I don't know. We're going to have to see a massive sell-off for us to get back up into the 30s. But obviously, if you guys don't know, the VIX is a measure of volatility. What up, Moner Beats? Moner Beats, cheers. Oh, that tea's getting strong. This is tea from yesterday. I've been drinking this all day. Whew. Damn, that's strong. All right, guys. So what time is it? Good. We still got 15 minutes left. Still got 15 minutes left in our stream. Let's take a look at ACB. I am in the market for some ACB shares soon. Very soon. We're looking to take some profits. We're looking to buy some ACB. We're getting really excited. Let's not get too excited though. And I can't stand listening to myself on this stream. Okay. What do you guys think of the background music? Is it okay? Turn it up a little bit. Some random little like free beat. Vlog, no copyright music. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. The 3 shows I watch are Rich TV, Live, Investing Hustler, and Departures Capital. You guys always drop knowledge. Thank you. Yes. Make sure to support Investing Hustler. He needs our support right now. He needs our support. The hustler's down a little bit, guys. Actually, you know what? We're gonna send him a quick message on Instagram. Let me just, if you guys don't mind, can you just drop me some comments saying hello to Investing Hustler, and I will send him this message to brighten up his day right now. So just drop me some comments right now for Investing Hustler, and I will send it to him right now with my phone on Instagram. Just say anything. Say anything about Investing Hustler getting better. I'll give you guys a couple seconds. Please and thank you. Thank you, Ryan. Okay, we just need 2 more comments and then I'll send him the picture. All right, thank you guys. All right, Investing Hustler, we're just, that's nice, guys. Say what's up to Investing Hustler. Get better soon. We gave you a shout out, and speedy recovery. There we go, there we go, there we go. I'll send him one more message. Everybody showing love. Show love for Investing Hustler. Perfect, guys. Thank you. Appreciate that. All right. That was nice. Thanks, guys. Back to the video. So there's one quick article that I wanted to quickly read as to why the markets are down. Wall Street slips on global growth fears, weak corporate forecast. Let's turn this music down a bit. might be free. Alright, so US stocks fell more than 1% on Tuesday and were on course to end a 4-day rally on fears of slowing global growth after the International Monetary Fund trimmed its outlook and weak forecast by companies included Johnson & Johnson. The IMF forecast stalled a strong rally in stocks that was spurred by hopes that the US and China would resolve their trade dispute and dovish comments from the Federal Reserve. Excuse me. The grim outlook on Monday was followed by China data that confirmed its slowest growth rate in 28 years, adding to fears that a slowing global growth could hurt US corporate profit. What about this green growth and Aphria deal? Thank you, Valerie Johnson. I support my friends. I support my fellow YouTubers. I'm here to make a positive impact and offer value for you guys, and I appreciate every single one of you guys that subscribe. So you guys keep me going. Your likes keep me going. Hit that like button if you support Investing Hustler, Departures Capital, and our whole community. So yeah, I mean, at the same time, it's a lesson learned. It's a big lesson learned. You know, we make money sometimes, get cocky, and that's our downfall. Don't let your ego get to you. Always play it safe. And that's just life sometimes. People see things, people get jealous, people want to rob you. That's why you need to just stay safe. Keep a low profile. It's hard to keep a low profile when you're a YouTuber, but I don't flash things because I don't keep stuff like that at my house. Like, I mean, I'm not saying that it's a bad thing. That's the business that Hustler's in, but it's different. Everything's safe and locked away from me. Like, you want to come and, I don't know. I just don't have much stuff at my house, but at the same time, that's just me. I like to live a very minimalistic life. So anyways, Johnson & Johnson fell 1.7%, pushing the healthcare sector 0.8% lower. All 11 major SP sectors were lower, and 5 of them, including industrial and technology sectors, slipped over 1%. Anyone think the stock market does better with the US government shutdown, less drama, less shifts? It's a possibility. Chip stocks took a beating. Lam Research and Micron Technologies leading a 2.4% decline in Philadelphia Semiconductor Index. Pressuring industrials the most was a 13.5% slide in Stanley and Black. Okay. The energy sector slipped 2.08% as oil fell. So of course oil's down. We're going to take a quick look at commodities. Yeah, we're seeing oil decline 2.13% to 52, still holding on to 52. Come drink a beer with you say what? But seriously, I heard some things of this happening. Anyone? What the heck? FSD gave back all gains. Next pop up, I'm out. Yes, sir, Max. It is frustrating. I'm just waiting for Hustler to get back to me. Just checking my phone, guys. New advertise or you're opening your door to trouble. Yeah, never advertise or you're opening your door to trouble. Add VGW to your watch list. Okay, sir. I will do that right away. So VGW. Balin's Grow Works. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Stock market Moses. Coming in with those comments again, eh? Investing Hustler's covered in the ladies department. He's doing fine there, my friend. He just needs to get back on his feet, get to a new place, and we gotta collaborate because I'm missing him. I'm missing Investing Hustler on the collabs right now. Excuse me. Jeez, you're hilarious. I don't say bad stuff about other YouTubers, guys. I'm just here to have fun. Just here to have fun. Alright, guys, so no comment. Okay. Yeah, that tea's strong. I got too much stuff in the way here. All right, so what are we talking about now? Let's see some suggestions. Keep it PG-13, please, or PG-13. I just want my favorite YouTubers to be safe. All right. Thank you, Billy. Thank you. Got to pack heat, you know? Yeah. I mean, I got my stuff. I got my protection. We can't talk about that stuff though. Anyways, just like rumor with Kron. Okay, we're gonna take a look at ACB just to see what's going on. We're gonna be looking at a couple individual stocks now. ACB declining a little bit further today. So guys, looking at ACB to drop 10 cents more to get in. I'm looking for ACB to drop towards $8. Definitely going to be loading up on ACB this time. It heads down. I think we're going to add... Sorry, I don't know what's going on here. I think we're going to add 250 shares every time it drops past $8 in 25 to 50 cent increments. Because I am looking to add more to ACB. So I would say 250 to 500 shares every time it drops past $8 if we make it that low. Just slowly accumulating. We've got some bank stock to dump, so some Bank of America to get rid of. I want to take a quick look at Bank of America. We saw a massive run in these bank stocks. Down 1.2%. Buy the dip, sell the rip. I'm looking at Canopy growth waiting on a healthier pullback. Yeah, I gotta agree with you, Billy. Canopy looks really expensive right now, and I feel like it could definitely pull back some more. So as you guys can see, if you care, but Bank of America has been on a healthy run since we hit $22, all the way up to 29. Looking to dump some BAC and get into some ACB. Add some more ACB. Whoa, jeez. Let's take a look at Canopy growth. Let's see what's up for Canopy. And Canopy is in the green again today, pushing $60 almost. It's hard to say where Canopy's heading, but I think it is well supported at these levels, that's for sure too. We saw almost no pullback so far. Man, I'd love Canopy to go back down to 45. At $34, oh man, what a steal. Hello, Aaron and all. TRST doing well. I sold my Canopy way too expensive. Close to 52-week highs. 45 would be a good buy. Yes, I totally agree. Mercedes Faith. Donate to Investing Hustler on GoFundMe. He was robbed and everything. Yes, Mercedes. That's the third time we've talked about Investing Hustler. Gave him a shout out. I've already donated money to him, so I know. Kronos is doing good. Canopy at 35 was the biggest steal. Yeah. It was just such a hard time, guys, because no one had cash. All of our cash was locked up and then there was so many stocks thinking about buying. It was just such a tough time back in December. Do I think ACB will go above 10 soon? I think that ACB, it's going to take a couple things for ACB to go back above 10. I think it could definitely happen. We need to see some solid earnings across the board and some solid guidance in this next quarter that is just around the corner. I believe we're getting a lot of earnings will be interesting. earnings will either propel the market or they will cause a little bit of a pullback. To be honest, guys, I'm not too worried and not too focused on actual numbers in terms of how much money they made this quarter. I'm really focused on guidance. So if they can provide good guidance, then I do think that these stocks will continue to run. And if the markets stay in great shape like they are right now, we're seeing a pullback in the S&P and in the markets in general. But if the markets hold up and we don't start to tank again, then I do think that we're gonna run. So it's gonna be interesting to see what's going on. Cannabis expected revenue for Q1 is 73 million. They are going to disappoint a lot. ACB will be a boom. CEO Midas said our last interview. He's in no hurry to partner up. He says ACB will be worth more in 6 months to 1 year. Sales and administration costs going down, and price per gram and stable medical patient count for ACB. Yeah, it's hard to say for ACB, but I don't think they'll be partnering or getting any big investment deals. ACB kind of wants to stay on their own. No problem, Mike. Share dilution. I mean, for how long should I hold Kronos? I am new to this. Well, that's actually a great question. Let me just take a look at Kron real quick. So I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not going to tell you to buy or sell a stock. But if this was me personally and I bought Kron, I'd be looking to take some profits in and around these levels, just because we're in uncharted territory. I mean, Kronos is well up there. Could it keep running? Totally. Could it go to 22, 23? Who knows how far it could go? But I mean, I'm a conservative investor, and when I see profits like this, there could be a pullback. So I would be looking to take profits on Kron. That's just me. It makes sense. I think it's because ACB doesn't want lowball offers. I believe ACB is releasing financials in the first week of February. It makes sense. I don't see the need for ACB to give up equity in their company. They're going to be profitable within a year, and they're doing everything right so far with acquisitions. Maybe ACB will continue slowly dip those results. Question: what are your thoughts on Kiosk Beverage KBEV? Chart this month looks great, but volume is very up and down. No worth CBD drink and GNC deal. Could be 10 bagger. Didn't Cam say in Midas that they think companies like CGC are being bought out at not mature rates? I think ACB will have a large institutional backer and buyout. I gotta watch that interview, guys. Honestly, still didn't watch that interview, but is TGOD a steal at 290? I think TGOD has potential. I think if you look at the chart, TGOD's like almost as cheap as it's ever been. So if you like TGOD, if you like the long-term prospect of TGOD, I think TGOD at these levels is attractive. Attractive nonetheless. So let's see here, guys. Just want to recap a few more things, and then we're going to head out because we are going to be shooting a video very soon. I wanted to say, guys, I appreciate all the views and all the comments recently on my videos. Like, I've seen so many more views. You guys are awesome. So, and subscribers too. Like, I believe I got like 5.6K on this one and 2.5K on this one yesterday. So I appreciate everybody watching my videos. So, all right, let's check this out. Let's check this out. And you know what? We'll actually add this to the list. Thanks for recommending that stock. I'm looking for specific CBD companies. So thank you, Sheep's Union. I try my best, but I'm always open for feedback and trying to make it consistently better. I don't understand why investing officer is begging for money. He was robbed at home, not his account. I'm sure has built up an account. Very confused. Been watching you back in July. First video I've seen from you is a video about Namaste Technologies. Yes, Billy. I know. I remember that video. It's called Your Next $1 Million Stock. I bet you it's gonna pop up. Are you talking about this one? Guys, look at the evolution of Departures Capital. I'm sorry to get off topic, but it's just funny. Look at Departures Capital. What's this guy talking about? He's got 3 laptops and a white wall. Oh my goodness. I can't watch this. Sorry. Whatever. Yeah, a lot's changed, guys, but that's the evolution of Departures. I thought the setup was elite, to be honest. Well, that's good. No boys in buckets outside making noises. Yeah, no. They fixed all the stuff that they needed to fix here at my condo. Do you think you have some cannabis IBOs from USA worth looking at? Good morning, everyone. I'm new here. What is going on with ACB? Mr. The Man Weed Deep. Mr. The Man Weed. Mr. The Man Weed. That's an interesting name. In terms of IPOs, I don't have any IPOs for you guys. Medman huge. Choom to wake up. TGOD is my biggest holding, but I bought sub $2. That's nice. Okay, guys, we got to add that one company to the list, KBev. I'm looking for smaller CBD companies, and this could potentially be the next CBD company that we're looking at. 37 cents off its lows of 24 cents, though. Look at that 52-week range of 17 cents to $1. $20 million market cap. This company is tiny. Kiosk Beverage Corp. You know what, guys? I want to investigate this. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. What is this? Food and beverage. Kiosk Beverage. No, this is not it. We can't even find their website. What's going on here? Did he already went over ACB? I don't think this is it. Sorry, guys. Investing hustler. Support investing hustler. Poor guy. Yeah, he said he buy and shouldn't it go under $8? Oh man, the weed. What do you think? Is it a good time to buy Tilray or could it go to the 60s? Oh my gosh, look at Departures Capital. TLRY. Ah, Dan Bilzerian. Bills. Is that the one we're looking at? Nah. What the heck? Is this what we're talking about? Ignite International Brands. Hold on a sec. I just want to see the company profile. So, I'm so confused here, guys. We need China to make a deal with our hero, Trump. Ignite International Brands. Yeah. That would make sense. Usually a lot of these gold companies do a reverse takeover and they turn into a cannabis company. So is this Dan Bilzerian's IPO right here? BILZ? That's pretty sick that he's got his own public company. I mean, that is pretty awesome. If Departures Capital ever IPO'd, what do you guys think this ticker symbol should be? DCAP or DC. That'd be pretty cool. DC. Decap. I think decap. Alright. What other stocks was I? Yeah, DC would be pretty cool. What other stocks was I going to take a look at? What is the OTC, or we can't get it yet? I'm not too sure, Charlotte. We're going to head out soon, guys, though. We're going to head out soon, so drop me a couple more comments. I got to get ready for the next video that I'm about to shoot. I'm going to be recapping all the markets, everything that happened in the trading day. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Let's take a quick look at Tilray for you. Yeah, so I put out a video, not a video, but I just was talking about Tilray, how I do think that it is heading potentially still a little bit lower, maybe potentially into the 60s. Because a lot of those shares were unlocked. I do believe Tilray is risky. If I'm not even gonna probably buy Tilray, but if I was gonna buy Tilray, I'd be looking to buy Tilray in the 60s, and then from there it's anyone's guess how far it could fall. I mean, take a position in the 60s if I was trading it, and then I would hold it long term probably, unless it went back up to like some crazy number like 180, 200, probably dump it. But if I was buying Tilray, I'd probably buy it in the 60s if it went that low, and then who knows if it went to like 30 or 20 to 40 bucks, probably average down. But that's it for me. Yeah, look at Tilray revenue. Yeah, there's a lot of things to look at. Tilray is going to be reporting soon, I believe. I believe they're one of the first companies to be reporting for the cannabis companies. So anyways, guys, we got to wrap this stream up. I got to get ready for my next video. So let me know any other comments or any other things you want to talk about real quick. A couple more minutes, and then I'm out. Cannabis employees can't sell their stock options until March 31st. Interesting. Okay, this is it. We're ending off the video with the ACB, our favorite company in the cannabis sector, which has not been performing very well. Honestly, I do think ACB is pulling back, and I think it could continue to pull back to about $8. Like I said before in the stream, I'm going to start adding to ACB if it goes to close to $8, and we're going to be buying 250 to 500 shares if it continues to go down. Every increment, probably every 50 cents to 50 cents maybe. We already have, I forget how many shares of ACB, 5,000 or something like that. I'd have to check. They're in different accounts, but something like that. So okay, yeah, so as we pull back, around $8, definitely going to be adding 750 if we go that low. But long term, I do think ACB is heading higher. So I'd love to see $10. I'd love to see ACB trade in the $10 to $11 range for a while. That is it. So that is our opinion on ACB. I don't know exactly when ACB is reporting. It's like first or second week of February. So we've got 2 to 3 weeks to go. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning into my live stream. Don't forget to support Investing Hustler. Go watch his video. Go drop him some comments. Show him some love. Just do something to brighten up his day, as he's really probably feeling down right now still, and still recovering. Any dollar helps. I donated to Investing Hustler because he's my buddy and I support him. And that's pretty much it. I mean, we'll give him one more shout out. Oh my gosh. Go to Investing Hustler, click on his page. He's got a video right here about super sad story about how he was robbed, and then he's also yeah, so crazy story. GoFundMe page is right here. Click on that. Good job, he's raising more money, so buy an illegal immigrant. Oh my gosh, support building the wall. Well, excuse me, guys. Canada is not building a wall, but anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Hit that like button. I appreciate it so much, guys. And that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure to tune into my video. Today at 5, we're dropping our market minute, as we always do. Appreciate all the views. Appreciate all the support. And that's it. So we're out, guys. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow on our live stream. I'm out. Goodbye.